Giving brief introduction about the speaker. Now I call upon Dr. RUDRESH sir to start the session.
Dr. RUDRESH sir has obtained his PhD degree from Bengaluru University. His specialization involves nanocomposites, reinforcement, halocite, nanocomposites application. He is working as associate professor in the Department of Mechanical Technology. He has many patent projects. He has received a fund of rupees 1,000 from KCSC during KCSC 46 conference. Student program is speaking.
Without the education also should know about this. And already anyone gone through this anywhere, what is intellectual property and occupied the space, right? Similarly, intellectual property also, whatever you have idea or innovativeness, you have to protect through intellectual property. Then only it can be converted into commercial values. For example, if you are a very good designer of gold jewelry, you can register that good design which is very new and you can register under industrial designs. If it is protected under IP, for example, Tanish or whatever the gold companies, gold ornament manufacturing companies, they can contact you to get the design. They will going to pay you for that, right? So everything has commercial values. Now I have just given, I think they have the entire room, whatever students we have, everything is played in this, right? Rubik's cube. At least you have seen, right? The thing is, we have to know what product will come under what IP rights. That is very, very important. And what's the why I am presenting this, why I am delivering this lecture, because you want to know the differences between different IPRs. Okay. So after this presentation, if I again show you the slide, you will come to know whether it is patentable product, whether it will come under trade secret, whether it will come under copyrights, whether it will come under industrial design, right? Those things will come. Okay. So now you cannot answer, but after the presentation, definitely you can think what it can be done. Okay. So what are the different IP tools we have is, we have patents, we have copyrights, we have trademarks, we have geographical indications, new brand variety, IC level design, trade secrets. So these are all the different tools in the intellectual patent, right? It can be protected under patent. And if you are manufacturing that, you can start up your company and that logo can be protected under trademark. So these two rights will come under that product, right?